knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our show, Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. I'm Michelle, your host. Today we are testing our contestants on their knowledge of the skeletal system. These questions will vary from multiple choice to Pictionary. The winner of each round will be rewarded with points. Before we start, here's some background about the skeletal system. The skeletal system includes all the bones in the body, and its functions include support, protection, movement, storage, and blood cell formation. Now let's meet our contestants. On team 1 we have Sheila and Yishin, and on team 2 we have Will and Susan. Let's get started. Round 1, question 1. What is the skeletal system? A. All the bones in the body. B. All the muscles and tendons. C. All the body's organs, both soft and hard tissue. Or D. All the bones in the body and the tissues that connect them. Susan and Will, what's your answer?
Z.
Well, Z wasn't an answer choice, so what's your answer?
D.
That is correct. 1 point for team 1. Round 1, question 2. How is the skeletal system related to the muscular system? A. They are not related. B. Muscles pull on bones which increase bone strength. C. Muscles don't connect to bone. Or D. It varies by the individual. Susan and Will, what's your answer?
Is it B?
That is correct. 1 point for team 2.
Go get it.
Round 1, question 3. Pictionary round. The axial skeleton.
I know the answer. Axial skeleton.
That's correct. 1 point for team 1. And that concludes round 1. Our winner is Sheila and Yishin. Congratulations. Round 2, question 1. Which of the following statements is incorrect? A. Bone is where most blood cells are made. B. Bone serves as a storehouse for various minerals. C. Bone is a dry and non-living supporting structure. Or D. Bone protects and supports the body and its organs.
Was it B?
That is incorrect.
C?
That is the correct answer. 1 point for team 1.
Nice. No, don't throw it out.
Round 2, question 2. Which bone protects the brain? A. Calcium. B. The cranium. C. The cerebrum. Or D. The cerebellum.
D.
That is incorrect.
Is it B?
That is correct. 1 point for team 2. Round 2, question 3. Pictionary round. The mandible.
Is it mandible?
That's correct. 1 point for team 2. And that concludes round 2. Our winners are Susan and Will. Congratulations. Now the score is tied. Round 3, question 1. Besides the brain, the skull also protects A. The lungs. B. The diaphragm. C. The body cells. Or D. The sense organs.
A.
Sorry, that is incorrect.
D.
That is correct. 1 point for team 1. Round 3, question 2. The purpose of the rib cage is to A. Protect the stomach. B. Protect the spinal cord. C. Protect the heart and lungs. Or D. To eat.
you answer? C.
That is correct. 1 point for team 1.
No. I don't want to play this game anymore.
Round 3, question 3. Pictionary round. The rib cage.
Ribcage.
That's correct. 1 point for team 1. And that concludes round 3. Our winners of round 3 are Sheila and Yishin. Congratulations, now they are in the lead by 1. For question 1. Which disease involves the weakening of the bones? A. Anemia, B. Leukemia, C. Melanoma, or D. Osteoporosis?
Is it C?
That is incorrect.
C. Ow.
That is correct. 1 point for team 2. Round 4, question 2. What is the difference between cartilage and bones? A. Bone is rubbery and cartilage is firm. B. Cartilage is rubbery and bone is firm. C. Bone is a more primitive tissue than cartilage. Or D. Bone is inside the body and cartilage is outside.
What's the answer? B.
That is correct. 1 point for team 1.
No, it's okay.
Round 4, question 3. Pictionary round. The appendicular skeleton.
Arms and legs.
That's incorrect. Sujin and Will, do you have an answer?
No. Appendicular skeletal.
That's correct. 1 point for team 2. Now that concludes the end of round 4. Congratulations, Sujin and Will. Now the score is tied again. We have one last round to decide who will be our winner of Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Round 5, question 1. The hollow space in the middle of the bones is filled with A. Air, B. Blood, C. Bone cells, or D. Bone marrow.
Is it A?
That is incorrect. That is correct. 1 point for team 2.
Come here.
Round 5, question 2. What is the difference between compact bone and spongy bone? A. They have different bone marrow. B. They are made of different materials. C. They have different sized bone cells. Or D. They have a different arrangement of bone cells.
Is it C?
That is incorrect.
D.
That is correct. 1 point for team 1. And that concludes the end of our game show, Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Thanks for watching. And today our winners are Sheila and Yishin. Congratulations.